Another opening round for the short course. Yes, we have Erwin Jesus leading this group. Oh, my spoiler, side-by-side racing. Kinit-kinit si Miles. Ayaw pa na niya. Babawi si Miles sa loob.
Hindi, ako yan.
Wala, nalaglag si Miles. Ayaw talaga ikot. Ikot siya. Oh, sino ba yung nag-second? Si Kimson ba? Si Kimson. Nakatingin eh. Ibig sabihin, si Miles at saka si Manito, side by side. Ako pinadaan? Pinadaan? Ano kaya yun? Binanggapan! Ano ang yun ng kali? Binanggapan ni Bang?
Kalaban.
Ala! Oh, yan na, babawi si Miles! Okay. Chino driving a new short course 4-wheel drive that will be later be introduced at your local hobby shop. It will be raced in 2011. So, okay, here comes the leader.
Wala ya!
Walang hiya! Tutoy! Nakadaan si Tutoy, nakadaan si Kino! Ayaw pa rin umahon nung kay Miles! Tinulungan na umahon! Finally! Someone was able to help him out?
Ano ba yan?
Talaga naman, nagkaka-personala na to! Si Mike, hindi malaman saan pupunta yung kit. Napapangawa si Michael, ano ba ito? Kakaliwa, kakanan. Tutoy ang dama! On the inside over Michael! Wala pa rin straight move talaga si Michael! Baka nanginginig si Michael.
Bote nanginginig.
Ay! Oh, side by side contact! Mona, keep way lang sa ating pangakuan. Pag nalalaksa, let's give room. We have son of Ish who is racing with you in the name of Ramon Repol. Medyo pagka-pasensya nila kung medyo napapangga kayo, hindi nakakapag-giveaway. Pero I'll try to remind him. Okay, at the head of the group, Erwin Jesus leading Kingston by 5.5 seconds. Ronald, wow, Ronald third ka. Tutoy 4th, Mang 5th, Kino 6th, Miles 7th, and Mon Repol 8th.
Tangina, likod dito.
Oh, wrong choice of tires!
Hayop ka! Araro yun!
O, bahala ka dyan.
Nakatulog drive eh.
Oh, Tutoy, burning his rubber, chasing down Ronald.
Sorry. Tarbon. Malikot sobra.
With a big lead, Erwin De Jesus now at entering the tabletop sections. There goes Tino. Let's give way. Thank you, Mon.
Nakahabol na! Nakahabol na si Miles!
Okay, 1 minute to go to finish the second round.
Pusang tumatakot sa rin.
Aiming to the short course track. Okay, another maneuver there. Thank you, Mon, for giving way. Oh, Mike! Ano ba? Throwing in the towels is Mike. Now headed down for some major, probably minor repairs. Okay, still Erwin, 30 seconds to go. Kingston, Tutoy, Miles, Kino. Ronald, ano nangyari kay Ronald? Biglang naiwan. And Kino now chasing down Miles Bautista. Entering the technical section. Kino at Kero. Let's see if Kino can overtake Miles at some part of the racetrack. There goes Kino on the inside door. Closing the door is Miles Bautista. Ronald Inano si inside off, no? Wow, pakihina naman yung ating electric fan dito. At medyo, oh, time has, Tutoy, done na pala. Tutoy, you're done. Time is over. Tutoy, third lang. Ayan. Ramon, done. Miles, done. Miles, ha? Ronald, done. Kino, done. Miles is out. Erwin na lang and Gibson to wrap up the second